Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Rift Fortnite. Um, it's pretty easy. So, first of all, you want to go to the Discord server, which I'll put the link in the description. You want to go to downloads. Oh, if you're like 2 years old, don't join general, they probably have Edwards. But, so you click on both of these links, right? I already have this installed, but I have this installed already, but I'm going to show you how to install it. You press download, and it will do this. I want to go to wherever you download it. If you have unzipped, then do your settings. But if you have Windows, or if you like to use Windows, do extract all. This time, I'm going to do something called, I'm just going to put documents. And then you're going to press extract, close the window so it's less confusing. Close this. And then you have this, right? So, I want you to double click rift.exe. It might say this, which will probably always do, but you want to press more info and run anyway. It's saying because it has .NET and a lot of web interfaces, ESC, that just have to allow access. And you get all of your seasons. So, you're probably wondering, dude, how did I get all of these? Well, it's pretty easy. You go download Easy Installer, which I already have, but I'll again leave a link in the description of how to use it. And then you see there's 142 downloads. So if you want to say you want to install season 2 or season 2.5, you do one, and type in the game folder location that you want to put in it. In example, you could do this. You could drag the folder that you pressed on desktop. You could drag it there, and then start doing this. But I already installed it, so I'm just gonna not do it. And so I'm gonna show you all the commands, and just in like 3, 2, 1. Okay, so as you can see, we're inside Fortnite Season X. I'm using this because this has the most weapons inside it. So as it loads up, it'll load up perfectly because it has a private server and it's just not normal, and it's a private launcher, so it's gonna do stuff. But wait for it to load completely. I'll get back to you when it loads. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, if you are using a computer with like 2 gigabytes of RAM, this is not recommendation, because 2 gigabytes of RAM would make it not run at all. It has to have like at least like I'll give you like 8 gigs on the game, because like gaming and stuff is not it's not a professional computer that you're supposed to use. So as it loads, wow, I unpaused it and it loads, but the Xbox game bar to see it. You don't have to see it, but listen, you have to read the news. If you want to go read it, it says Rift. Welcome to Rift. Go in game and begin your experience. Press F3. Go press play, and then press F3. And it'll get you to the thing. Depending on how fast your computer, this would probably, if your computer's like fast, like it can install Windows XP on a VirtualBox,